Hi, it's Money with Dan here, and in this video I'll show you how to use the Depreciation and Capital Allowance tool to help you complete your MyTax return for individuals, sole traders, small businesses and contractors alike. It's the same handy tool available for free when lodging your tax return on MyTax using your MyGov account. Let's say you want to claim a depreciation deduction for an asset you used as an employee. First select Add Edit next to Deductions. Then select Add Next. Then select Add next to other work-related expenses. From here you can access the Depreciation and Capital Allowances tool inside MyTax. After selecting Type of Taxpayer, select the Add button to add your asset into the tool. Then you need to select the expense type. This will determine where the deduction will appear in MyTax. In this example, we're selecting Other Work-Related Expenses. Then add the required details. If you're still using the asset, select No when asked if the asset has been sold in the current income year. If you have added an improvement to an asset or another second element of cost to include for this asset, you would answer Yes here. You will then select Add and complete the fields required and select Save. An example of an improvement would be the cost of installing a new engine to a piece of existing machinery that you had previously bought and are depreciating. However, in this example, we don't have a second element cost, so we would select No. Next, enter the effective life of the asset. Use the search function or enter the effective life, if you know what it is. Select which method you'd like to use, either diminishing value or prime cost. If you need to recalculate the effective life, select Yes here and complete the fields required. However, we will select No in this example. If you have adjusted the opening balance of the asset, you should answer Yes here. However, we'll select No in this example. If you need to, you can update your taxable use percentage for each asset. Once you've entered all the information, the tool gives you a breakdown of the decline in value and shows you your deductible amount. You can change your settings to see what the impact will be. Select Save and Continue. You can easily add other assets into the tool following the same steps. For the next example, let's say you're a small business or sole trader with a turnover of less than $10 million. You can immediately deduct assets you started to use or installed ready for use in this income year. The tool will work out the deduction amount. Small businesses and sole traders can use the tool for low value pools and small business pools. This will mean a greater tax deduction. The tool can also calculate deduction amounts you can claim for depreciating assets for rental properties and partnerships. When you've added all your depreciating assets, select Save to MyTax. Amounts calculated by the tool will be transferred into the correct field in MyTax. The amount calculated for the work-related expense asset has been transferred to other work-related expenses in MyTax in this example, and the amount from net income or loss from business is transferred to the business section of MyTax. The Depreciation and Capital Allowance tool is available when you open your tax return on the MyGov website after you link your account to the ATO and click on the MyTax icon. You can enter details throughout the year and use the information at tax time so you can keep track of your records. For more videos on how to lodge online using MyTax, you may find one of the videos on your screen that I prepared earlier helpful. Please remember to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.